Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to insert line chart in Microsoft Excel. So click on this insert tab, and in this chart section you will find this column or bar chart. Same here you will see line or area chart. Click this drop down. You can select 2D line or this 3D 2D area or 3D area. So select as your requirement. So it will be empty chart. To create properly a chart, firstly write your data. Now fill value. Now select your data. Now insert and same. Select here line chart. So now this chart will appear here. You can edit, you can change style. Give a name to your chart. You can edit your data from here. If you make changes here, and once you click anywhere, so it will automatically up to date. Here once you click on this chart elements, you can add these all features and options. Data label, data table, error bars, legend, up down bars. So you will get these all options. You can adjust the size for this chart. You can add here more. So just select it, delete. Now select it, your data again. Same process, select now your chart. So it will be now with this up-to-date data. And same, once you click here, you can add some more these options. Once you select it, double click, so you will see this chart properties. Here guys, you can change color combination. You can change layout. You can add these elements. Also you can add elements from here. You can remove. Here same process, you can change style and color. You can switch row or column. You can select data. You can edit data. Same you want to add here. So select it. So double click here on your chart and select data. Now select from here and click on OK. So your chart will be up to date without creating new chart. You can change chart type. So this is a line chart. You can switch to pie chart, and also you can select any style from here like 3D or 2D. Bar chart and click on OK. You can move this chart to another sheet or tab in the workbook. So select it, and if you have another worksheet, so you can select it, or you can create a new one and you can move it. Now your data will be here, and if you will update your data here, like E we will make 11, so it will reflect here. So thanks for watching, and comment this video useful for you.